psychology 스티븐지 최민준입니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 엠입니다. 저는 제도입니다. This is another video that is a second look reaction because the first one, the sound wasn't working because the computer and
software.
microphone hate me. This one is my beloved giant baby maknae, Yugyeom, from GAT7. And we've done a lot of reactions to his solo music that he's just come out with. This one is not a music video. It's so beautiful though. Like the way that it's done, it's like a still, but it kind of like moves.
It says it on the
stuff
video.
like that. It's like a visualizer. And this one is Yugyeom running through the rain.
So please ignore me when I get to a certain spot in
There's
this
a certain
video.
spot that Steven doesn't like in it. It just looks so majestic.
It's not that I don't like it, I just think it's not necessary.
What, the part of the song?
Yeah.
I was like,
I like this song.
oh, I love his voice.
Yeah. See, I really do like this song. It's just that one part. That's SEX. Something SEX. I can't tell.
You're looking at like the
hand. Yeah. It's amazing what you see the second time around, isn't it? I saw writing and I read it and I went, boy! It's because of the wave. I noticed it because of the wave. So when the wave went up, I was looking there. Yeah, when it was rippling. And then I noticed his hair. And I noticed that there was words. And I'm like, what does that say? Oh, this is so hard to listen to. Do you know what my feeling is? That vibe?
Yes.
I'm running through the rain. 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 이 바람이 세게 몰아쳐도 언제든지 달려갈게 for you. I'm running through the rain. I'm running through the rain.
this isn't my favorite Yugyeom song. I really like it. I really, really like it. It's so, like, vibey and, like, mellow. And his vocal is amazing. Love him so much. And, like, again, it's kind of like my Mama Bear coming out because, like, I've been a fan of him and GOT7 since their debut. And watching him grow as an artist and person, honestly, like, it just makes me so proud of what he's done and where he's gotten to. Is just so amazing and heartwarming to me, and I'm so proud of him. So proud of all of GOT7, honestly. So proud of them all. And I love Yugyeom. I just think that I personally enjoy a lot more of his other songs, so solo songs, rather than this one. But I did really, really like it, and I really love the different kind of take for the visualizer.
Yes.
Way that was done.
Yes.
Just don't like the auto-tune.
It could have been one of my personal favourites.
If it wasn't
for that one part where it has that auto-tune in it. And the whole vibe of the song was just, like...
It took you out of it.
I was in such a vibe when I was first listening to it. And then it hit me with that, and it just... It's... I went from being in this really good place where I was just vibing hard to just, what the hell is this? For me, it didn't coincide with what was originally happening. We saw a video before, that song by that girl group, how they do it right.
That was the other one. We've lost that. That didn't have sound. Oh, I'm so mad.
So,
I'm so upset about that.
So the video...
So I showed Steven SNSD Girls' Generation I Got a Boy because it's quintessential. If you have not seen it, if you're a baby state K-pop stan, you need to go see that. It's quintessential. It is an amazing song. It's still one of my favorite Girl Generation songs. But in that song, it's got so many beat drops and different vibes, but it all follows the same, like, underlining musicality line. And, like, to, like, someone who's just watching it for the first time, not knowing a lot, it's like, whoa, this sounds like 3-4 different songs in the one song. But then when you actually break it down, you're like, yeah, but it all follows the same, it works.
It's got one particular beat behind it the whole time. And it flowed really good. Whereas for me, but for me, with a song we just reacted to, the vibe just got lost when that auto-tune kicked in, and it just completely threw me, and I didn't agree. I don't agree with how that part of the song was made, but just the way it changed into that auto-tune, it just didn't feel right for me. Like, my vibe just disappeared, and then it kicks back in once that auto-tune's gone again. I really loved that song, and, you know...
Love Yugyeom.
Yes. He is so talented. Alright.
Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, press the thumbs up button. I'll leave comments down below. Share this on social media if you'd like to. All of my social media links down below, so go check me out, follow me, on all of those. If you'd like to leave any requests or suggestions for more videos that you'd like to see on my channel, please leave them down below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. That is it for this video, and we will talk to you very, very soon. Kirby face! Annyeong!
Annyeong!